Have you ever wondered why your knuckles crack? But before I tell you why, if have beautiful hand like and subscribe. Well, some people think it's the actual bones that are cracking when you do this. But that's not true. When you pull or bend your fingers, you increase the space between the bones in the joint. This creates a sudden drop in pressure in the synovial fluid within the joint. The decrease in pressure allows dissolved gases in the fluid to form bubbles. The rapid collapse or bursting of these bubbles produces the characteristic popping sound.